Hello, this is Stacy from trulymajestic.com. If you guys have noticed, a lot of the videos I have on YouTube are actually paid videos. It's just a quick intro and then the rest of you have to pay for it to see. But now I am actually opening up all my tutorials in one place, all the paid ones, in one place under this arm knitting membership area. This is a 12-month membership. You get access to every video I've ever made, and also we'll be adding new videos one time every month, and they will be based on the suggestions of what you guys would like to arm knit up. We'll also have a live in the group once a month to answer your questions and help you out with problems, and you'll also get a big 20% discount from World of Wool. This is a one-time discount if you buy 10 kilos of wool or more. You'll also get a special formula to calculate how much wool you need for different size blankets, how to felt your wool roving up in the washing machine or dryer, and lots of other stuff. Check out the link.